Hey kitchen lovers, ready to upgrade your cooking game? Here are the top 5 best kitchen gadgets you'll love. Let's jump right in. Effortlessly prepare avocados with the OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. This all-in-one tool splits, pits, and slices, making avocado prep quick and mess-free. Its stainless steel pitter removes the pit with a simple twist, while the slicer creates 7 even pieces. Designed with a soft, non-slip grip for comfortable handling, the Maple adjustable wooden rolling pin made from high-quality beech wood. This versatile tool is ideal for preparing pizza dough, pie crusts, cookies, and more. Its adjustable design includes 4 thickness rings to ensure uniform dough thickness every time. Featuring engraved measurements for precision and smooth rolling, this rolling pin is a must-have for bakers of all levels. Easy to maintain with simple care instructions, it's an adorable addition to your kitchen or a thoughtful gift for baking enthusiasts. Peeling made effortless with the Spring Chef Premium Swivel Vegetable Peeler. Designed with ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, it smoothly glides through fruits and vegetables, removing skins with precision and minimal waste. Its ergonomic non-slip handle ensures comfort during use, perfect for both right and left-handed users. Featuring a dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, pouring no condensation, and available with plastic or blitz, this peeler is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Lightweight and efficient, it's a reliable tool for everyday kitchen tasks, making meal prep a breeze, a must-have for any home chef. The 30 PCS Fruit Slicer Set, an all-in-one toolkit for slicing, carving, and shaping fruits and vegetables. This versatile set includes fruit-shaped cutters, an apple slicer, avocado cutter, banana slicer, melon baller, fruit carving knife, fun-shaped cutters, and more. Made from durable stainless steel and sturdy plastic, these tools are ergonomic and easy to use, ensuring precise cuts and a safe experience. The Oral Garlic Press, designed for effortless garlic and ginger prep. This professional-grade tool features a rust-proof stainless steel build, ensuring durability and safety in the kitchen. Its ergonomic design makes mincing unpeeled garlic cloves or peeled ginger roots quick and efficient, producing a smooth paste with minimal effort. Available in vibrant colors, this heavy-duty press adds a stylish touch to your kitchen. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, it's a must-have for creating flavorful dishes with ease. That's it for today. Which gadget is your favorite? Comment below, like, and subscribe for more amazing finds. See you next time.